Let's travel together to Mozambique, a beautiful destination located in East Africa. I had a stopover in Nampula, one of the bigger cities in the north of Mozambique, and one thing that really struck me was the military presence of most likely Rwandese troops joining Mozambique in a fight against terrorism. Some very rural parts of that region boils down to natural resources, and even, as you can see here, some United Nations World Food Programme presence there. We are heading further south to finally approach Maputo, one of my favorite cities. Maputo is a unique African city with a mix of strong African and European vibes. It's comfortably sized and its friendly people speak Portuguese. The ocean breeze and vintage look enhance its charm. Connected to this country since 2013 and 14 when I had the chance to live there for a year. Let me take you on a flight to get to know Maputo from above. For me, Maputo has a very interesting fusion of an African but also European city, combined maybe with even some Havana vibes. .1 million inhabitants. Comparison to Sao Paulo or other crazy cities, it really feels smaller and right-sized. Give you an additional and very diverse perspective, I also went out with my camera and captured different elements that kind of jumped into my eye. Now we are in Matola, next to Maputo. Combined, this metropolitan region has around about 3 million inhabitants. Many Mozambicans rely on various modes of transportation to commute to the city center of Maputo. We continued our walk through Matola, and my friend Eduardo showed me around. Very happy. Mozambicanos, alias Mozambicans, start the day very early and work till late. Their creativity and energies shine through as they work hard to make ends meet. Their good spirits and resilience are inspiring. And here are just some selections of different encounters, from tailors to tuk-tuk drivers, you name it.
doing a small documentary about Mozambique. Please come.
Meeting good old friends was just nice.
They have delicious food.
Where's it here? Okay. Seeing the sun rise and set and its fusion with the ocean never gets old. The open space provided by the Indian Ocean is a treat for your eyes, and the beautiful combinations of colors is a captivating sight. Maputo holds a special place in my heart. A stay in Mozambique wouldn't be complete if we just stay in Maputo. We also have to get out to the rural parts where the majority of the population lives. Mozambique is incredibly rich in culture with over 40 different local languages. So let's go and explore. Over bumpy roads, but also nice concrete roads, we're making our way towards Inhambane, which is located north of Maputo. Popo River Delta, we continued our journey towards our final beach destination. Journey was a fantastic opportunity to get to know the rural parts of Mozambique and to connect with some locals there. Sometimes those roads were an adventure, but overall nothing undoable. Paired with great lightning and sunsets, It's all I need to document the journey for you and find joy in those simple things. Having said that, we finally made it to our final destination at the coastline. Mozambique has 2,500 kilometers of coastline and remains largely unknown, offering stunning beaches and vibrant underwater ecosystems. The crystal clear waters, showcasing various shades of blue, are a magnet for majestic whales, hammerhead sharks, and a diverse array of marine life that I was able to witness. I hope you enjoyed today's episode as I took you along my journey in Mozambique. More to come around the world. Soon we're gonna head to Indonesia. Please subscribe, share and like. It would mean the world to me and you would help me to grow this channel since I really have great plans with all of you. So stay tuned.